So, you're thinking about deleting your Facebook account. Maybe you've been considering this for a while, or perhaps something happened recently that made you question your relationship with social media. Whatever the reason, it's a big decision, and you're definitely not alone in feeling this way. Maybe it's privacy concerns, tired of your data being collected and used. With every like, comment, and share, Facebook learns more about you, and that can feel unsettling. You might be worried about how your information is being tracked, stored, or even sold to advertisers. Or maybe it's about reclaiming your time from endless scrolling. Hours can slip away as you move from post to post, and you might find yourself wondering what else you could be doing with that time. Social media can be a huge time sink, and stepping away can feel like a breath of fresh air. Imagine spending more time outdoors, reconnecting with friends in person, or simply enjoying a quiet moment without notifications. For some, it's about mental health, escaping the pressure of curated lives and constant news. The endless comparisons and information overload can be exhausting, and taking a break might help you feel more balanced and present. Whatever your reason, it's a personal choice. Only you can decide what's best for your digital well-being and peace of mind. This guide will help you understand your options and walk you through the process, step by step. Whether you're looking to take a short break or leave for good, we'll make sure you know exactly what to do. We'll break down what it really means to leave Facebook, including the differences between deactivating and deleting your account, and what happens to your data. Whether you want a break or a permanent goodbye, you should know what to expect. We'll cover the pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision that feels right for you. Ready to take control of your digital life? Let's get started on this journey together and see what life can look like beyond Facebook. Before you do anything, it's important to understand your options, deactivating your account or deleting it entirely. Each choice has different consequences, so knowing the difference can help you make the right decision for your needs. Deactivating is like hitting pause on your Facebook life. Your profile disappears from public view, but all your data, photos, and posts are safely stored by Facebook. If you ever change your mind, you can log back in and everything will be just as you left it, ready for you to pick up where you stopped. Plus, Messenger still works even if your main profile is deactivated, so you can keep chatting with friends and family without missing a beat. Deleting, on the other hand, is permanent. Your profile, photos, posts, and messages are erased after a short grace period, and you lose access to everything. There's no going back. Once you confirm deletion and the grace period ends, logging in won't restore anything. Your digital footprint on Facebook is wiped out for good, so deactivate if you just want a break or need some time away, but delete only if you're absolutely sure you're done for good and want a fresh start. Take a moment to think about what you really want. Are you looking for a temporary detox, or do you want to erase your presence and start with a clean slate? The choice is yours, but make sure you fully understand the difference before you decide. It's a big step, so don't rush. Next, let's walk through the steps to actually delete your account, so you know exactly what to expect. Make sure you're truly ready for this commitment. Here's how the process works, and what you need to do before saying goodbye to Facebook for good. Decided to delete? Here's how. Log into Facebook on your computer or app. Click the arrow or your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Find your Facebook information or Account Center. Click Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Account, not Deactivate. Click Continue to Account Deletion. Enter your password to confirm. Facebook may ask why you're leaving or suggest deactivation. Ignore and proceed. Click Delete Account on the final screen. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. It's not instant, but the process has started. Before you delete your Facebook account, take a moment to make sure you're fully prepared. Start by backing up your data, photos, posts, and messages, so you don't lose anything important or sentimental. Use Facebook's Download Your Information tool to save your memories. This tool lets you download everything from photos and videos to your timeline posts and even your chat history. Carefully choose what you want to keep, and make sure to download your files in the highest quality available for future use. The download process might take a while, especially if you've been active for years, but it's worth the wait to preserve your digital memories. Next, review which apps and websites you use Facebook to log into. These could include shopping sites, games, or streaming services. Switch those logins to your email and a secure password before deleting your account, so you don't lose access to your favorite services. Remember, deletion isn't instant. Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period in case you change your mind. If you log in during those 30 days, your deletion request will be cancelled and your account will be restored. But after the grace period ends, your account and all your data will be permanently erased, with no way to recover it. So, double-check your backups, update your logins, and make sure you're truly ready for this change. Take your time. This is a big decision that can affect your digital life in many ways. When you feel confident and prepared, go ahead and hit delete to start a new chapter. Good luck on your digital journey. Embrace the fresh start ahead.